please tell us something about TastyBite's.
So where TastyBite is concerned, we are the biggest retail brand in US for Indian ethnic foods, and we are now around 270 crore turnover company. And we are one of the major suppliers for sauces and frozen product to most of the QSR in India.
So what changes did you see before BatchMaster ERP implemented in your company and after BatchMaster Enterprise?
It's really designed to handle the control gap, or probably the way we implemented it, somewhere the hand holding in terms of your quality team looking at it from a process perspective, and we also, verifying it from a operational and control perspective, it never happened. But nonetheless, I think the lot of customization we did, I think we are doing, our average customization would have been like more than 30 customization we have done with PME team now. I think that has helped us to get a faster turnaround time. In fact, turnaround time is pretty good. I don't have to really follow. And we have covered a fair amount of distance. And I think obviously from a cost perspective, it's perfectly designed because you don't have to be a very heavy user license fees or the amount of customization which we do. I think the turnaround time BME team has is probably much faster because I've seen SAP customization time also. But I think that's some of the benefits or demerits of between two systems.